Hi guys, today I'm with Isha Khanna and she did this amazing makeup look on me and you can just see how flawless I'm looking right now. So what do you want to say about it?
So guys, we did this look keeping a very sexy kind of look in our mind. It can go with any outfit. The colors also, like what I've used is like very neutral.
So do watch the video for the final look and then you can practice it on your own. So I'm gonna start by priming her lids with the primer. This one is from MAC. And the brush I'm gonna use is this one right here. It's by Crown Brushes. So I'm going to apply it all over the lid, taking all the way in from here and then all the way out. So now I'm gonna set it with loose powder. You can use any loose powder for it. For the eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this palette right here by BH Cosmetics. It's actually a blush palette and I'm gonna use this color as my transition color on the eye. For this I'm using this Sigma brush with the number E40. This brush is super fluffy and round and it blends the crease really well. This is the brush I'm gonna use, which is a smaller version of this one, and this is the color which I'll be using. I am going to use this brush again right here and I'm going to take a darker shade from a different palette which is called Semi Sweet Times 9. To create this smoky effect, I'm going to take the eyeshadow all the way in. Now I'm going to take this brush which is really sharp with the edges and I'm going to blend the same brown color. Now going back to the same palette, Burgundy Times 9, and taking this color right here. Next, I'm gonna use this black kajal pencil from L'Oreal. It's called Infallible, and I'm gonna apply a thick liner with this. Now, I'm gonna blend this with the help of a brush, and I'm gonna use the brush from MAC Cosmetics with the number 383 to give the smoky effect. Now I'm going to take a sharp edged angular brush and blend the black eyeshadow with it. Going back to the first brush which I used in the transition, I am going to blend this dark brown color at the corners. I am not taking any product on it, so I am just using it to blend the other colors really well and to neutralize it. For the glitter part, I'm using Inglot glitter with the number 66. It's a very white pearly glitter. So next, I'm just gonna clean the glitter with this brush. Next, I'm gonna curl the lashes and then apply mascara. Next, I'm gonna conceal the under eye, and when it dries, I'm gonna apply the same kajal pencil and then blend it with a brush. Now I'm gonna take this brush, which is from Sigma and the number is E59, and I'm gonna apply this shade on the inner corners. Next, I'm gonna take this pointed brush and blend this light colored eyeshadow at the edge of the black pencil. Next, I'm gonna use this color right here and blend it with both the colors seamlessly. So I'm gonna apply it in the middle of both the colors, the black and the lighter one. Next, I'm gonna apply lashes. These are by CS Essentials. Now we are almost done with the eyes, and I'm gonna quickly do the base.
So guys, here's the final look that we created. A sexy smoky eye. So what do you think about it?
I think it's just amazing, like how amazingly you have done the base, and the eyes are so perfect.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for this. I was really excited and I'm really happy with the outlook.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I hope you guys also like it.
Yeah, and do try it at home and send us your feedback too.
Yes, please do
Thank
that.
you.
Please do that. Thank you. Bye.